As others have said, we are talking about the most vulnerable children in the country who may have suffered the most appalling abuse or neglect. And securing status for those children, as we've also heard, is absolutely vital for them to thrive and to maximise their potential in adult life. The government has obviously intended the application process for settled status to be straightforward and simple, but as we've heard, that won't be the case for many looked after children because of the difficulties they may have in accessing documentation to support their applications, or because their carers may not understand the need for them to apply, or because local authorities may be overstretched and not able to give them the support that they need to do so. And as I've said, many will be reliant on legal aid to support them in making a sufficiently strong application. Social workers have neither the expertise nor training, nor the capacity, nor indeed the legal right to give advice in relation to immigration matters. They would be in breach of immigration law if they tried to do so. So it is absolutely vital that the government, having after a year finally tabled the order to bring immigration cases for looked after children within the ambit of the Legal Aid Act, actually gets that order put through, and in good time before the 31st of October. I echo the calls that I've heard elsewhere this morning in this chamber to invite the government to supply settled status to all looked after children and children in care. We risk those children being left in a limbo that will affect them all through their adult lives if we do not make absolutely clear and safe their status now. And as we've heard, those children have already demonstrated their right to our protection. We cannot afford to let them down as a result of a decision to leave the European Union, which was in no way any of their making.